If you're a creator or small business owner frustrated by your Facebook reach, you're not alone. The algorithm has changed. What worked last year is now useless. But I've cracked the code after 100 hours of testing, and I'm about to hand you the exact playbook to thrive in 2025. No fluff, just real proven strategies to unlock your reach. So hit like, subscribe, and let's fix your Facebook together. The biggest Facebook cheat code right now? Reels. If you're looking for a way to break through the noise and get your content seen by thousands, even millions of people, Reels are your golden ticket. I decided to put this to the test by posting 100 Reels in just 30 days, and what happened next completely changed my perspective on social media growth. If you're not posting Reels, you're missing out on massive reach. Seriously, the difference is night and day. Before I started, my engagement was flat. Barely any likes, comments, or new followers. But once I committed to Reels, everything changed. Facebook is pushing short-form video hard. Every Reel is a ticket to new audiences. The algorithm loves Reels, and it's clear that Facebook wants to compete with TikTok and Instagram. That means your content gets shown to people who don't even follow you yet. To really see results, post 3 to 5 Reels a week. Consistency is key. I found that the more I posted, the more momentum I built. It's not about going viral overnight, it's about showing up again and again. And here's the best part. They don't need to be perfect, just engaging. Authenticity wins every time. People want to see the real you, not a polished, overproduced version. The first 3 seconds are everything. If you don't grab attention right away, people will scroll past without a second thought. Make those opening moments count. Start with a bold hook, not a slow intro. Ask a surprising question, make a big statement, or show something unexpected. You want viewers to stop and think, wait, what? For example, instead of saying, here's how to make coffee, try, you've been making coffee wrong your whole life. Use your phone, find some good lighting, and add trending audio. These small tweaks make a huge difference in how your reel performs. Edit right in the app. You don't need fancy equipment or complicated software. The Facebook app has all the tools you need to trim, add music, and drop in text. Keep it simple and focus on the story. Don't overthink it. Action beats perfection. Some of my best performing reels were filmed in one take with zero planning. Just hit record and let your personality shine through. Here's your challenge. Plan 3 reels this week and just start. Brainstorm a few ideas, jot them down, and film them, even if you feel awkward at first. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Your competitors are already doing it. If you scroll through your feed, you'll see brands and creators jumping on the Reels trend and getting results. Don't let them leave you behind. Reels are the fastest way to grow right now. I saw my followers and engagement skyrocket in just a few weeks. It's the most powerful tool for organic reach on Facebook today. Start today and watch your reach explode. I guarantee it. If you want to stand out, build your brand, and connect with new audiences, there's no better time to jump in. Your next big breakthrough could be just 1 reel away. Here's a game-changing tip for your social media. Fix number 2. Make your captions interactive. If you want to stand out and actually connect with your audience, you need to do more than just post updates. You need to invite your followers into the conversation and make them feel like their opinions matter. The algorithm loves meaningful conversations, not just likes. When people start talking in your comments, the platform takes notice and pushes your post to even more people. It's not just about numbers, it's about real engagement. So stop making statements. Start asking real questions. Instead of just telling your audience what's new, invite them to share their thoughts, experiences, or preferences. People love to give their opinions, especially when you make it easy for them. For example, instead of simply saying, new shirts available, ask, which design would you keep, black or white? Vote below. This small change can make a huge difference in how your audience responds. Make it easy and fun to answer. Use polls, emojis, or simple questions that anyone can respond to in just a few seconds. The more accessible you make it, the more likely people are to join in. Run polls, ask for advice, or spark debates. You can even ask for recommendations or opinions on trending topics. The key is to get people talking and sharing their perspectives. Every question is a chance to start a conversation. And when you reply to comments, you show your audience that you're listening, which encourages even more interaction. The more comments, the more reach. Your post can quickly snowball as more people join in, and suddenly, your engagement is through the roof. Make your captions the start of a dialogue, not the end. Treat every post as an opportunity to build relationships and create a community around your brand or message. When you do this consistently, the algorithm will reward you. You'll see your reach, engagement, and influence grow, just from asking the right questions. Want to reset your algorithm score? Use Facebook's other tools, polls, stories, and especially live. Stories with polls or questions get quick engagement and keep you top of mind. Go live for 10, 15 minutes. Facebook notifies your followers and prioritizes your video. Mix up your content formats to boost your overall engagement score. This week, post 3 interactive stories and schedule 1 live. Even a small audience helps your page. Don't ignore the tools Facebook gives you. If your page is all sales, you're losing. Most people scroll right past posts that feel like ads, and Facebook's algorithm notices when your audience isn't engaging. That means your reach drops, and fewer people see your content. But there's a smarter way to grow your presence and actually connect with your followers. Use the 70-20-10 rule. 70% pure value, 20% curated content, and just 10% promotion. This simple formula is the secret behind many successful pages, but it's rarely talked about openly. Value means sharing tips, stories, or entertainment. Anything that helps, inspires, or delights your audience without asking for anything in return. Think of it as building a relationship, not just making a sale. Curate by sharing great content from others in your niche. This shows you're plugged into your industry and willing to spotlight valuable ideas, not just your own. Only 1 in 10 posts should be a direct pitch. That means most of your content should focus on helping, not selling. When you do promote, your audience is more likely to pay attention because you've already earned their trust. Build trust first, then sell. Respond to comments, answer questions, and show you care about your community. People buy from those they trust and feel connected to. People follow those who help, not just those who sell. When you consistently provide value, your followers become loyal fans who engage, share, and even advocate for your brand. For every promo post, have 9 that give value or share something useful. Plan your content calendar with this in mind, and you'll see a shift in how your audience responds. This approach transforms your audience's response and the algorithms. When you focus on value, engagement rises, reach expands, and your business grows. Start today and watch your Facebook presence change for the better. Timing is everything. The algorithm tests your post in the first hour. If no one engages, it dies. Use Facebook Insights to find when your audience is most active. Don't guess. Check your data monthly. Schedule your best content 30 minutes before peak times. Audience habits change, so keep checking. Treat posting like a science, not a guess. Screenshot your activity chart and use it. This one tweak can double your reach. Let the data guide you. The first 60 minutes after posting are critical. Don't post and ghost, stick around and engage. Reply to every comment quickly and thoughtfully. Each reply doubles your comment count and signals the algorithm. React to comments and ask follow-up questions. Schedule posts when you can be present for an hour. Treat it like a live event. Host the conversation. The more active you are, the more your post spreads. Master this golden hour for a free reach boost. Be the host, not a spectator. Stop reinventing the wheel. Recycle your best content. Find your top-performing posts in Insights. Don't just reshare, remix, or update them. New design, new hook, or a bonus tip. Most of your audience never saw the original. Schedule a throwback or remixed post every week. Proven content deserves a second chance. Work smarter, not harder. Don't just post on your page, join relevant Facebook groups. Lead with value, not spam. Listen, answer questions, and be genuinely helpful. Optimize your profile to link back to your page. Occasionally share your content when it's truly relevant. Build trust first. Followers will come naturally. Groups are pools of your ideal audience. Use them to grow, not to spam. Don't show up cold. Warm up the algorithm before you post. Spend 15 minutes engaging with others. Comment, like, and join group discussions. This signals to Facebook that you're active and boosts your post's chances. Give engagement before you ask for it. Make this your pre-posting routine. Reciprocity matters. Warm up, then post for better results. Want to use paid boosts? Only boost your winners. Wait 24 hours, then check which post performed best organically. Boost that post with $5.10, targeting new audiences or lookalikes. Never boost a flop. Only amplify what's already working. Social proof makes new viewers more likely to engage. A small budget can break you out of your bubble. Don't waste money. Be strategic. Let your audience pick your winners. Boost smart, not blindly. That's how you reach thousands for pennies. There you have it, 10 strategies to revive your Facebook reach. Facebook isn't dead, but lazy posting is. Use Reels, engage deeply, and be human. Focus on value, not just volume. Comment below with your average reach and I'll reply with a tip. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more growth tips. Your comeback starts now.